Do you recognize this pasta shape? It's called the Calamarata, and it is typical of my region. It's perfect with any dressing, but it is only with fish that you can get the best of it. If you want to see how Calamarata is prepared, you are in the right place. Come closer, I'll give you a preview. We'll start immediately with the squid that I've already cleaned. And these are the bones Tanta had put to the tentacles, because we will use them later. Now I'll count the squid, the mantle, to get calamari rings as big as the pasta pieces, that is about 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Calamari ready, let's start cooking. I'll put a drizzle of oil in the pan, and then garlic and chili. Chopped chili, crushed garlic. I let it flavor a few moments. And now calamari and tentacles. I saute them for a couple of minutes at a nice lively temperature. I blend with white wine and wait a few moments for the alcohol to cook off. Let's take the garlic out, then add some cherry tomatoes that I've already cut into wedges. Tomato paste. And let's stir. Let's add salt. And then pepper. Now stir it, lower the temperature a little, close with the lid and let simmer for 10 minutes. And in the meantime, the water has reached the boil. I've already sorted it. I can cook the pasta. It's time to add the parsley. I'll take some of the pasta water to dilute the sauce. And at this point, I'm ready to drain the Calamarata. I'll drain it halfway through cooking, let it simmer for a few moments while I keep stirring. Done. Pasta's ready. Let's prepare the wrapping. I'll pour a couple of ladyfuls in the center of a sheet of baking paper. Then I close it like a candy. But I also do the same with tin foil. Tin foil helps keep the moisture of the wrapping. Our wrappings are ready to go in the oven at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes. When opening the wrapping, all the scent will come out and no one will be able to resist. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you can find the ingredients, the doses, and the procedure explained step by step. If you liked this video, please leave us a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. In order to stay up to date on all the news on GialloZafferano, subscribe immediately to the channel. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.